Don't waste another minute doing push-ups wrong. Let's fix your form today. Whether you're completely new to push-ups or just looking for a simple, effective routine to build strength, this video is exactly what you need. Hey there! If push-ups have always seemed a bit intimidating or you're not sure if you're doing them right, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps to master push-ups, starting from scratch. In this video, we'll tackle some of the most common questions beginners have, like what's the key mistake people make with push-ups, and how can you avoid it? Or how can you modify push-ups to make them easier while still building serious strength? I've worked with countless beginners, and I know what works and what doesn't. We'll also dive into why just doing 10 push-ups a day can increase your strength by 20% and reveal the fastest way to improve your form, so you can avoid injury and build confidence with every rep. By the end of this workout, you'll have all the tools to progress from zero to mastering your push-ups, and I'll give you some simple tweaks to make sure you're on the right track. So stick with me, because I've got some game-changing tips coming up that you won't want to miss. Push-ups are more than just a basic exercise, they're one of the most powerful movements you can add to your workout, especially as a beginner. Why? Because they work multiple muscle groups at once. Your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core are all engaged when you do a proper push-up. This makes it a perfect exercise for building upper body strength and laying the foundation for more advanced movements down the road. What makes push-up even better is that you don't need any fancy equipment. Whether you're at home, at the gym, or even outside, you can start building strength with nothing but your own body weight. And as you get stronger, you'll notice improvements in your posture, muscle tone, and overall fitness level. So, what's been your biggest challenge with push-ups so far? Comment below, I'd love to know where you're starting from. Now, if you're thinking, I can't even do one full push-up yet, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. That's why I've got your back with some beginner-friendly variations to help you build strength without feeling overwhelmed. These are perfect stepping stones to get you from zero to full push-ups in no time. First, we've got wall push-up. These are the easiest variation, and they're great if you're just starting out. Simply place your hands on a wall at shoulder height, step back a little, and perform a push-up. This reduces the weight you're pushing, making it much more manageable while still working your chest and arms. Once you're comfortable there, it's time for knee push-up. With this variation, you'll be on the floor, but with your knees down. This takes some pressure off your arms, allowing you to focus on getting your form right as you lower and push yourself up. It's a great way to bridge the gap to full push-up. And if you're feeling up for more of a challenge, try incline push-up. Find a bench or a sturdy surface, and place your hands on it while keeping your body straight. This is a fantastic variation that's a little harder than knee push-up, but still easier than doing them on the ground. The key is to progress at your own pace and listen to your body. You don't have to rush, it's all about consistent improvement. Which variation are you going to try first? Comment below and let me know where you're starting from. In the next section, we'll talk about how to build strength and improve your form over time, so you can confidently crush those full push-ups. Stick around, you won't want to miss this part. Alright, so now that you've got a few push-up variations to start with, let's talk about how you can build strength and improve your form over time. The great thing about push-up is that they get easier with consistency, but you've got to focus on one key thing: quality over quantity. Instead of worrying about cranking out a bunch of reps right away, start with a small, manageable number and make sure your form is perfect. It's better to do 5 solid push-ups with good form than 15 sloppy ones. Trust me, good form will get you stronger faster, and it helps prevent injury. As you get stronger, gradually increase the number of reps. For example, if you're doing knee push-ups, aim to add 1 to 2 more reps each week. Set small goals, like working up to 10 push-ups in a row, and celebrate those wins. Consistency is what will get you to that full push-up faster than you think. Also, don't forget to engage your core and breathe through each rep. Proper breathing and muscle engagement will help you push through those tough moments and build strength even more efficiently. Before you continue, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Doing so will motivate me to create more of this, and it will also make YouTube to recommend this video to other beautiful people like you that needs this information. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Now, here's the secret to getting stronger with push-ups. Consistency is everything. You don't need to spend hours in the gym or do hundreds of reps. Just a few push-ups a day can make a massive difference over time. Seriously. Studies have shown that doing as few as 10 push-ups a day can increase your strength by up to 20% in just a few weeks. Imagine the progress you'll see by sticking to a simple, consistent routine. Not only will your upper body get stronger, but you'll also notice improvements in your posture, core strength, and overall fitness level. Push-ups are a full body movement. They engage your arms, chest, shoulders, and even your core. That means you're burning calories and toning multiple muscles at once. It's all about creating a habit. Set a small, daily goal like 10 or 15 push-ups and stick with it. Even if it feels challenging at first, consistency is what leads to progress. Over time, you'll notice those 10 push-ups start to feel easier, and before you know it, you'll be ready to do full push-ups with confidence. Now that you're ready to take your push-up game to the next level, let's talk about a sample push-up workout plan that you can follow to track your progress and keep things interesting. Consistency is key, and having a structured plan will help you stay on track and motivated. Here's a simple 4-week plan you can follow. Week 1, Foundation Building. Day 1, 3 sets of 8 to 10 knee push-up. Day 3, 3 sets of 10 incline push-up. Day 5, 3 sets of 6 negative push-up. Week 2, Increasing Strength. Day 1, 3 sets of 10 to 12 knee push-up. Day 3, 3 sets of 8 incline push-up. Day 5, 3 sets of 4 full push-up or negative push-up. Week 3, Mixing it up. Day 1, 3 sets of 12 to 15 knee push-up. Day 3, 3 sets of 6 full push-up. Day 5, 3 sets of 10 elevated push-up. Week 4, Full push-up focus. Day 1, 3 sets of 8 full push-up. Day 3, 3 sets of 10 full push-up. Day 5, 3 sets of 5 full push-up, followed by a max set of knee push-up. Feel free to adjust the number of sets and reps according to your current level. The goal is to challenge yourself, but also ensure you can complete each set with proper form. How do you plan to incorporate push-up into your weekly routine? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to see how you're customizing this plan for your goals. And don't go anywhere. Next, I'll share some great tips on how to keep your push-up workouts fun and engaging. You won't want to miss these strategies to stay motivated. Alright, you've built your strength, followed a workout plan, and are on your way to mastering push-up. Now it's time to keep things fun and engaging. Let's face it, doing the same workout day in and day out can get boring, and we want to avoid that burnout to stay motivated. One of the easiest ways to keep it fresh is to mix up your variations. Challenge yourself with different types of push-up like diamond push-up, wide grip push-up, or even clapping push-up as you get stronger. Each variation targets different muscle groups, so not only will you stay engaged, but you'll also develop more strength overall. Another great idea is to set mini challenges for yourself. For example, try to beat your personal best by adding 1 extra push-up each week or see how many you can do in 1 minute. This adds a competitive element that can keep you motivated. You can also incorporate push-up workouts into group sessions. Grab a friend and have a push-up contest, or find a local fitness class that includes push-up variations. The energy of working out with others can be a great way to boost your motivation and accountability. If you're serious about mastering push-ups and reaching your fitness goals, today's tips are just the beginning. The lessons from this video are a great starting point, but if you really want to take things to the next level, you need a structured plan that pushes you beyond your comfort zone. That's why I highly recommend you check out the video on your screen right now, 30-Day Push-Up Challenge, Beginners to Advanced. In that video, I'll guide you through a month-long challenge that's designed to help you build strength, improve your form, and progress from beginner to advanced push-ups. Trust me, this challenge will give you the exact structure and motivation you need to hit your goals. So, don't stop here. Click on that next video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's tackle this push-up challenge together. Your fitness transformation starts with consistency, and the next step is right in front of you.